Stress and irregular lifestyles are the cause of various health problems today. Thrombosis is an important example, which can be the cause of heart attacks and strokes. Blood clots called thrombi increase to an abnormal extent in the blood vessels of patients with this disease. There is a health food that relieves this condition.
特に血栓症に非常に有効な食品であるというふうに考えております。
This health food, named NKCP, prevents thrombosis, which is related to many diseases. Keeps blood healthy. Thrombus-preventing enzyme, NKCP. An ocean of soybeans. The soybean was born in China about 2,300 years ago and is appreciated by people all over the world. There is a traditional Japanese food produced by fermenting soybeans. This food is called natto. As a health food, natto has attracted attention in many countries. Contained in the gooey threads of natto is bacillopeptase F, which is the source of natto's beneficial effects. This ingredient has been shown to have many benefits for the human body. This ingredient, when obtained by extraction from natto, is the active component of NKCP. How does NKCP work in the body? In recent years, there has been a change in the pattern of diseases affecting the population, and thereby a change in the causes of death. The death rate for vascular disorders due to arteriosclerosis, or hardening of the arteries, is rapidly approaching that for cancer, which is currently the leading cause of death. This phenomenon is not unique to Japan. In the US, 26.2% of deaths are from vascular disorders, and the trend is similar to that in Japan. In the UK, 32.8% of deaths are from vascular disorders. The UK shows a similar graph. NKCP prevents such vascular disorders which are increasing worldwide. Assistant Professor Hitosugi of Dokkyo University School of Medicine talks about NKCP.
NKCP は抗凝固作用と申しまして、血液の固まるのを抑える作用があります。これは現在発売されているいくつかの薬品にもそのような作用を持っているものがあるんですけれども、やはり血液が固まらなくするのに非常に有効な作用を持っております。血栓症はあらゆる場所に起こることがあるんですが、特に致命的、命に関わるものが肺動脈血栓塞栓症という病気です。これは全身の静脈系にできた血栓が肺の血管に詰まってしまう病気ですけれども、このような命取りになる病気を予防する上でも非常に有効だと考えております。
Blood disorders cannot be studied inside the body. How does a thrombus form in the body? A typical case is presented here. As seen in the video, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets are contained in blood flowing in a human blood vessel. When this vessel becomes inflamed for some reason, platelets, red blood cells, and cholesterol come together to cure the inflammation. This is a thrombus. The thrombus forms almost immediately. Economy class syndrome has been in the news recently. This syndrome is also a type of thrombosis. Another name, travel thrombosis syndrome, suggests that all of us are vulnerable to this disorder. When one sits in a cramped seat for a long time, the flow of venous blood around the back of the knee is disrupted, and a thrombus forms. The thrombus first causes leg swelling and pain, and in some cases it flows to the lungs and causes breathing difficulty. Obesity is said to be linked to easy thrombus formation. Thrombus formation